You know the frameworks that work: offers, lead magnets, outreach angles. But turning them into something specific to why owe your business, that usually takes hours you don't have. With Vyroq's growth tools, that's minutes, not hours. Head to My Growth Tools and pick a card, say an offer builder. Before you start, read the Before You Start guide and the example, so you know exactly what a great result looks like. Now fill in the form. Don't want to type it all out? Click A, I compose, paste a bio, a product page, even a LinkedIn profile, and Vyroq maps your context straight into the fields. Prefer talking? Tap the mic and dictate any field instead. Vyroq transcribes it for you. Once the required fields are filled, hit Generate. You'll see generating with an elapsed seconds counter, and moments later your result appears, broken into clear sections. Your offer, what's included, bonuses, guarantee, next step. Not quite right. Click Run again and refine your inputs, or copy it, export as Markdown or Word, and send it straight into your next campaign. That's a growth tool, from blank form to polished output, built around your business instead of a generic template. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.